Well, I haven't used this view for a while, and I have a vague plan. Dottie's here with me. We're going in to town, and well, we're already in town because we're in the RV park. Um, we're hungry, and there's nothing we feel like eating in the house. So it's 1:14 on a Thursday. We had a pretty exciting morning. Denny was over here, and Dave from Vanlife Meow was here. We shot a couple of videos together. It was a lot of fun. And first, I'm going to go by and see my friends are out and around. See if they want to go to lunch somewhere. I'm starving. I see the rig is here, and I hesitate. She's a therapist too, and she has, they're not outside. She does sessions, so I don't want to knock on their door. Just like me. I don't like people knocking on my door. I'm not going to knock on theirs. There's an, can't tell whether that's an RV out there or what through the trees. Boy, I remember back in January of 2022, I was on the wait list for Starlink, and I finally came up and they sent it to me in Quartzsite. This was in the very beginning. No one had Starlink. And I remember hooking that thing up, and I was camping with a lot of people. It was actually a get-together sponsored by the Next Exit, Bob and Pearl. And boy, I was surrounded by guys when I set that thing up, and everyone was fascinated by it. And I got the super high speeds, and I gave everybody the password because I found out, hey, you can have, up to 99 users on it or something. So there were 100 of us there at the gathering, and a lot of people logged on. And I didn't care. It was still working. It was working great. I was happy to, give free internet to some people. And then the notices started coming in from Starlink that I was on my ID, my connection was downloading copyright protected material. And it was I got they were sending me copies of these letters from, I think it was like CBS TV or something. Someone was downloading like illegally episodes of Yellowstone. And I was freaked out. I thought just as I got this amazing thing, I was going to get I was going to lose my new Starlink and everything. I was panicked, and I had to shut everybody off, and I was like begging for forgiveness to Starlink, and they wrote back and they said it's not that big a deal. Don't worry about it. But I remember, I don't know why that came back to me. I think seeing all the Starlinks in the RV park when I first got it, it was like I was on the bleeding edge. Bleeding edge. I don't know what I want to get or where I want to go. I just don't know. We got to try something new, don't we? How about trying something we've never had before? There's a new place down here. Why don't we try that? The new, like a Mexican trailer right here. The Echate. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing it correctly, but let's go and order, huh? Doesn't that sound like a plan? And we'll eat some Mexican. There's a line there. That's a good sign, right? Oh, there's a nice line. Be right back, Dottie.
Spoiled little dogs, huh?
Yeah, oh yeah. And here it is.
Gotta get both sides.
Oh, look at this. I think this is going to be good based on the line here. Really, very interesting. Look at these two.
I get the mask here. I think I wanted to buy it for area.
We will check this out. So I ordered a quesadilla with some, I think, pork, and they gave me this while I'm waiting. It's busy, so it's gonna be about 20 minutes. So I've got some chips and salsa. So I had to wait kind of a long time because it was very busy. But check this out! Isn't that gorgeous? The quesadilla. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna test it. It's good and it's hot. I mean, temperature hot. But look how wonderful that. I can't tell how well it's recording because there's a lot of glare on the screen here, but look at that. I've talked to several people while we were waiting, and they were repeat customers that just rave about this place. So check it out. So what's really funny is while we were waiting, they gave me some chips and salsa, and now I'm full from the chips. Classic mistake, right? Is filling up on the chips and salsa. But we've got enough to get us through the rest of the day, including dinner, with that wonderful, wonderful. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. So I hope you check this place out. And the prices are pretty reasonable. Can I remember how much that was? I'd be guessing, but I'll guess $12 or $14. Oh, look, we're going to go the back way. We're going to go behind Coyote Fresh. And do I need anything at Coyote Fresh Market? I really don't think I do. I think, Dottie, we're going to go home and maybe we'll eat some of the quesadilla, and we've got lots of video footage that needs to go through the editor. We got a long walk this morning that Dottie and I took, and I talked the whole time. That's one video. Then we had a video with Van Life Meow, Dave. Really good interview with him, and him showing off his custom made rig that is it's good stuff. Good stuff. And it's getting busy. So I was talking to a young lady that works locally at the bank, and we were sharing a table while we were waiting for our orders. And I was asking her, you know, she is works in the bank, so she knows a lot of local people, a lot of business people. And I asked her, is it your sense that it's busier, not as busy, or the same? And she said, I think the consensus of the business people that I talk to is it's pretty right now. It seems to be pretty even with last year. She said, based on the traffic in the bank, it's a little less than last year, but that's not necessarily as meaningful. So I thought that was pretty interesting. So we're headed back home. And I think this might be a nice little short video, and I might sneak this out as an extra video today. But usually I would turn right here at the police department, but I'm going to go on Coyote. I'm going to go one more block up here and turn where the library is, because people want to know where my RV park is. It's behind. If you know where the library is, it's behind the library. And I'll certainly show you what I mean by that. One of the wonderful things about the library, it's a good, nice, reliable place to go if you want something printed. You can take something on a thumb drive, go and get on one of the PCs, get your file, print it, and I think it's, I don't know, I can't tell you how much it is per page. It's pennies per page, 10 cents or 25 cents. I don't know. I can't remember. I always give them a lot more. I give them a donation. But it's very convenient because I don't like, I don't have room for a printer in my little trailer, so I don't have one with me. So especially, most commonly, I'll have like an Amazon return, and I'll need to get the return label printed out. So I go there and get that done. So this is what I mean by behind. We just passed the library, and this is the first RV park you come to is right here. And that's on North Las Palomas Avenue. That's what this road is here. That's the back way in. I'm going to go in the front. The front to Arizona Sun RV Park. And here we are, Arizona Sun. I'm going to guess my solar's been doing very well while I've been gone. Looks like I have a package of something on my chair there. We'll see what that is. I can't imagine. I wasn't expecting anything today. And we have arrived. So that's going to be it for today's video, and I will see you on the next one.